Welcome back to mathsolver1117, where math becomes easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is 4 raised to power t minus 2 equals 40. You have to find the value of t. So we will solve this question as, first of all, we will apply the rule here that a raised to power m minus n can be written as a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. That means 4 raised to power t will divided by 4 raised to power 2 equals 40. Now 4 raised to power 2 means 4 multiply 4, that is 16. So we will write this here. 4 raised to power t equals 16 multiply 40. And 16 is also write as in the power of 4. So we write this 4 square multiply 40 can be write as 4 multiply 10. Now a raised to power m multiply a raised to power n can be write as a raised to power m plus n. That means 4 raised to power t equals 4 raised to power 3 into 10. After this, we will take log on both sides. So log 4 raised to power t equals log 4 raised to power 3 into 10. Here we apply the two important log rules. First one is log a raised to power b equals b log of a, power is in the start. And other one is log ab, when both are multiplied, this will equal log a plus log b. So we will apply this rule here. So t is in the start, we write t log of 4, and this will be log 4 raised to power 3 plus log 10. Then t equals, t log 4, this power is in the start, plus log 10. Now log 4 is divided by this. So we will solve this further here and get t here 3 log of 4 divided by log of 4 plus log of 10 divided by log of 4. So log 4 both are cancelled out. So t equals 3 plus log 20 log 10 can be write as 2 multiply 5, and log 4 can be write as log 2 square. So we will make it more simplifying. So this will become log 5 by 2 log 2 and plus log 2 by 2 log of 2. So log 2 are cancelled out, and we have t equals 3 plus this will be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log 5 by log 2. Now we will solve this further here. It will become t equals, by taking LCM, this will be 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log 5 log 2. Now we will apply the change base rule here. So this will become log base is 2 and 5. Now we write the final answer, that 2, 7 plus log base is 2 and 5. So this will be the final answer. We will write this here. So if you found this video helpful, subscribe mathsolver1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.